The best way to make money online in 2022. There are many different opportunities to earn money online in the year 2022. There are plenty of options, such as freelancing, affiliate marketing, blogging, or even developing your own software. Whatever your passion is, there is a way to generate income with it. Here are the top 5 ways to make money online in 2022. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is still one of the best ways to make money online because it allows you to work with your favorite things in mind. Whether you want to design a website, write, build something, or offer advice, there is a freelance job for everyone. It's also flexible and allows you to take on projects when they arise. To get started freelancing, all you need is an idea and a computer. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money from others' products as soon as they purchase them. You can sign up for a company and promote its product to your audience. This is a great way to earn an income because you get paid before the product has even been sold. It's also easy, effective, and popular, so there is plenty of room for opportunity. 3. Blogging. Blogging has always been one of the best ways to make money online because it allows you to make a living through writing. Blogging is also one of the easiest passive income streams because it doesn't require you to be working for anyone else. You can start your own blog today, set it up, and earn a few $100s per month as soon as you set it live. 4. Offer services on Fiverr. If there is a service that you're good at and people want, why not offer something that others can give back to help them? Fiverr allows you to sell services in $5 increments. 5. Offer courses on Udemy. If you know a topic that is relevant, you can create your own course and offer it to the public for a reasonable price. Udemy was recently valued at $1 billion. Consider taking advantage of this opportunity and start offering your skills. There you have it, the 5 best ways to make money online in 2022. Make sure to click the link in the description below for more information on how to start your online business. If you found value here, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with someone who might benefit from it. Please subscribe to the channel for more great content. The next video coming up has information you will love, click to watch it now. Thanks for watching.